Greetings everyone! I'm excited to teach you something new today. Let's explore why it's so vital that we truly grasp how artificial intelligence makes its choices, especially as these smart systems become an ever-present part of our world. Imagine trusting a doctor or a mechanic. You'd want them to clearly show their work, right? It's the same with AI. When we can look inside and understand the logic behind its suggestions, it builds immense confidence. This clarity also means we can pinpoint issues and hold the technology responsible if things go wrong, giving us the power to actively question or dispute its outcomes instead of just accepting them without thought. Now let's dive into why it's so important that we can actually understand our intelligent machines. As these powerful digital brains get woven into more and more aspects of our daily existence, from suggesting what to watch to helping make medical diagnoses, it's absolutely crucial that we can glimpse their inner workings. Imagine trying to trust a chef whose famous dish always tastes great, but they'd never tell you any of the ingredients or steps. It's the same here. For people to truly have faith in an AI, they need to comprehend its reasoning, not just blindly accept its output. Without that clear insight into how decisions are made, genuine belief just won't form. Let's explore the concept of how absolutely crucial confidence is when it comes to bringing artificial intelligence into our daily operations. Many organizations, surprisingly, still feel quite unsure about rolling out these sophisticated tools broadly and securely. It's like being given a powerful new car but not trusting the brakes. You simply won't drive it to its full potential. When people don't have faith in AI's recommendations or decisions, they'll just dismiss its conclusions, making all the effort and money spent on it fruitless. The real secret to fostering that essential belief lies in making AI's workings crystal clear and easy to understand. We need to see why it suggests something to truly trust it. Let's break down what's often called the mystery box of advanced computer intelligence. When we interact with sophisticated programs, especially those that generate new content, we see their fantastic results, a generated image, a written summary. Yet, it's like having a brilliant calculator that gives perfect answers, but you're never allowed to see the buttons it pressed or the internal calculations it performed. This inability to peek behind the curtain and understand how a specific decision or output was reached creates a real sense of apprehension. That's precisely why people, from everyday users to global regulators, are increasingly worried about trusting these systems and are pushing for clearer insights into their operations. Let's break down the idea of a black box in artificial intelligence. Picture a brilliant chef who consistently creates incredible meals, but absolutely refuses to share their recipes or cooking methods. You can hand them ingredients and they'll produce a masterpiece, but you'll never truly understand the intricate steps, the secret sauces, or why they chose certain spices over others. That's essentially what happens with some advanced AI. It processes information and gives you an answer or prediction, but the complex internal journey it took to reach that outcome remains completely hidden, leaving us unsure about the precise reasons behind its decisions. Let me introduce you to why grasping the foundational ideas behind artificial intelligence is so important. Think of it like learning the basic building blocks before you construct a complex structure or the rules of a game before you play. When we discuss how to make AI clear and dependable, having a shared understanding of what certain words actually mean becomes absolutely vital. It's not just about technical jargon. It's about establishing a common ground so we can all discuss, build, and trust these intelligent systems more effectively. Knowing these simple concepts helps us truly evaluate if an AI is doing what it should, and why, fostering greater confidence in its operations. Let's get into what makes artificial intelligence something we can truly trust. Imagine you're baking a cake. You wouldn't just blindly eat it if you didn't know what ingredients went in, where they came from, or how it was mixed, right? AI transparency is pretty similar. It's about pulling back the curtain so we can see the recipe, the inner workings of an AI, how its ingredients, the data it learned from, were gathered, and if they're fair. It also means understanding who's responsible when things go wrong, and how key decisions are made about its use. Essentially, it helps everyone involved grasp the AI's logic, its strengths, and its potential pitfalls, fostering confidence in its outcomes. Let me walk you through what's really important when we talk about understanding artificial intelligence. When an AI makes a suggestion or gives you an answer, say for a movie choice or even a medical recommendation, we don't just want the outcome. We truly need to grasp why that particular decision was reached and what specific factors influenced it. It's about uncovering the reasoning behind that individual result for you, the user. This clarity, instead of a black box, is like a good teacher explaining their steps, not just giving an answer. it builds a crucial foundation of confidence, making you feel much more comfortable relying on and acting upon what the AI proposes. Let's consider why we often need to peek behind the curtain of an AI system, rather than just observing what it does. It's like wanting to understand the inner workings of a brilliant mind. We want to grasp the precise journey an AI takes from the information it's given to the ultimate answer it provides. This deep dive means examining the internal components and various stages within its digital architecture, essentially untangling its intricate design. This kind of transparency is essential for the engineers who build these systems and the experts who audit them, allowing for a rigorous check that the AI's foundational logic is sound and performing exactly as intended. It truly helps us ensure its reliability and trustworthiness. Here's an interesting topic. Have you ever thought about how we understand what an AI is doing? Some of these smart systems are incredibly powerful, almost like a brilliant but mysterious wizard. They can give amazing answers, but if you ask how they arrived at that conclusion, it's a total mystery. We call these the black box types. Then there are other models that are more like a transparent recipe book. Every step is clearly laid out so you can easily follow the logic and see exactly why a prediction was made. The tricky part is, often the ones that are easiest to peek inside aren't always the absolute best performers. So we're always balancing incredible performance against the ability to fully grasp their inner workings, depending on what we need them for. Let me guide you through why it's so important for us to grasp how artificial intelligence systems reach their conclusions. Imagine you have a brilliant coworker offering advice. If you never understood their logic, how could you fully trust or even challenge their suggestions? Knowing the why behind an AI's answer allows us to interact with it much more intelligently. It empowers us to spot when things might be off, perhaps a flawed recommendation, and ultimately helps guarantee these powerful tools truly work for our benefit. Aligning with human values instead of just following code blindly, it's about being informed users, not just passive recipients. What we're looking at here is how we cultivate genuine confidence in our smart systems. For many, AI can feel like a sealed box, spitting out answers without showing its work. To truly earn people's acceptance, we need to pull back the curtain and illuminate the inner workings. Think of it like a helpful advisor, not just giving advice, but also laying out why they reached that conclusion, detailing the specific evidence and thought process. When individuals can examine the underlying thought process, challenge its assumptions, and satisfy themselves with its soundness, the perceived secrecy vanishes. This transparent approach is absolutely vital for developing lasting reliance on these advanced technologies. Let me guide you through how we build trust and fairness into our smart systems. It's really about ensuring someone is always answerable for the choices these programs make, establishing a clear chain of command within a company. We also need to be able to look under the hood, so to speak, to grasp how an AI reached its conclusion. This openness helps us catch any hidden biases or errors it might contain, preventing unfair outcomes. Plus, all of this ensures our advanced technologies align with important digital regulations and standards, keeping everything above board and protecting everyone involved. Time to understand how we can make artificial intelligence truly work for us. Imagine you're interacting with a smart system, and it gives you a recommendation or makes a decision that just doesn't feel right. Instead of just accepting it, being able to clearly ask, "Why did it say that?" Or "I think this is wrong, here's why," is incredibly powerful. This isn't just about fixing a specific glitch. It's about giving feedback that helps the AI learn and get smarter over time. When we actively engage and push back on questionable outputs, these systems evolve to be much more reliable, just and genuinely helpful, serving our real-world needs better. Let me show you how understanding a bit about what goes on inside an artificial intelligence system can actually put you in charge. Imagine it like knowing why a chef uses certain ingredients. You can then confidently suggest adjustments if something tastes off. When you grasp the how behind its choices, you're not just a passive receiver. You become an active partner. This means you can flag potential missteps, ensuring the technology serves everyone equitably and ethically, refining it as we go. Your insight truly makes a difference in shaping these powerful tools for the common good. Let's examine how we actually pull back the curtain on artificial intelligence. Often, these smart systems feel like a mystery, making decisions without us truly grasping the why. To build trust and ensure fairness, folks develop clever methods in specialized software. Imagine not just getting an answer, but also seeing the specific reasons an AI arrived at that answer, perhaps highlighting the key data points that influenced its choice. These aren't just abstract ideas, they're concrete approaches, like breaking down complex decision paths into simpler steps or employing visualization dashboards. It's all about demystifying the technology so we can understand, verify, and ultimately improve its performance. Let me introduce you to the idea of genuine openness when it comes to artificial intelligence. It's really about three key things that foster trust. First, it's like keeping a complete diary of the AI's life, diligently noting how it was designed, where its information originated, its inner workings, and who ultimately oversees it. Second, imagine regular updates, much like a company's financial report, explaining its performance and a meticulous log of every significant decision made throughout its operation. And finally, it's about making sure all this information is easy to grasp for everyone, whether you're an employee, a customer, or just curious about how these powerful tools function. My goal is always to demystify, not obscure. Let's get into how we make those smart computer programs, often called AI, less of a black box. You know, when an AI gives an answer, we don't just want the answer. We want to understand why. So we use special methods to highlight which bits of information were most crucial for a particular outcome. It's like asking a chef which ingredient was most responsible for a dish's flavor. Then, to make that why understandable to everyone, not just tech experts, we craft simple summaries or build interactive displays. These tools can visually show you the confidence level of the AI's choice and exactly what factors truly pushed it in that direction. This way, we build trust and clarity. Let's look at how we can make our artificial intelligence systems less of a black box and more understandable. Sometimes the easiest path is to simply choose models that are inherently transparent from the start, like using a basic rule-based system instead of something incredibly complex. For more intricate setups, especially deep learning networks, we might peek inside, visualizing what each internal stage is actually paying attention to. Perhaps one part sees edges, another recognizes patterns. Another helpful trick is using tools that map out the AI's step-by-step decisions, like a flowchart, so you can trace its reasoning. And of course, a thorough explanation like a detailed manual is essential for anyone who needs to audit or regulate these smart systems. Let's consider how some really prominent organizations are already showing us a path forward. They're not just discussing the importance of making artificial intelligence comprehensible and open. They're actively embedding these principles into their operations. Imagine a map that not only shows you the destination but also how the route was chosen, allowing you to trust the journey. By doing this, these tech giants are essentially defining what it means to build and deploy intelligent systems with integrity, effectively establishing new benchmarks for everyone else to follow when using AI responsibly and ethically. It's about building trust from the ground up. Let's talk about something really important for artificial intelligence: being open and honest. Imagine buying a new gadget. You want to know how it works, right? It's similar with AI. Leading innovators are making it a point to clearly indicate when something you're seeing or reading was created by a machine, not a person. They also go a step further, explaining the inner workings of their smart systems, what they're good at, where their knowledge comes from, and their potential shortcomings. This isn't just a nicety, it's about building genuine confidence, ensuring safety, and fostering reliance. Some are even developing AI to explain its own reasoning, building ethical guidelines right into its core. It's like a transparent recipe, so we understand precisely what we're interacting with. Today we're going to learn about why showing how AI works is becoming so incredibly important. It's not just a technical detail anymore. New laws around the world are pushing companies to make their smart computer systems much more open. For instance, in one major region, strict guidelines now demand that if an advanced program is making critical decisions, think about things affecting people's lives, its workings must be crystal clear. Ignoring this could lead to huge financial penalties and serious legal issues. Similarly, other rules concerning personal information give individuals the right to understand when an automated system makes a choice about them, like approving a loan, and even question it. Essentially, businesses face immense risks, from hefty fines to damaged reputations, if they don't ensure their AI is transparent. This isn't optional. It's a fundamental requirement for operating responsibly today. Let me guide you through why making our artificial intelligence truly understandable is such a smart strategic move for any business. From my experience, when people grasp why an AI made a certain choice, their trust skyrockets. This often means they stick around longer, instead of jumping ship. Think of it as building real loyalty. Moreover, if you clearly know how your AI operates, rolling it out to new areas within your organization becomes significantly faster and smoother. No more guesswork. Ultimately, this commitment to clear, ethical tech builds an amazing brand reputation, clearly positioning you as a trusted leader in the field. Let's unpack how being upfront can really pay off. Think about it. When you're clear and open about how something works, whether it's a new product or an internal process, people naturally start to feel more confident and secure. This feeling of security is essentially what we call trust. Once that trust is established, individuals are far more likely to embrace and actually use whatever it is you're offering. And guess what? When people genuinely engage with and incorporate something into their routine, that's precisely where you start seeing tangible benefits and real impact for the organization. So investing in clarity now isn't just a nice to have. It's a strategic move that sets you apart as a frontrunner. Let me walk you through an important idea. For artificial intelligence to genuinely transform our world, we simply must understand how it operates. Imagine trying to trust a chef who never tells you what ingredients are in your meal or how it was prepared. Similarly, we need AI to show it's working, revealing the logic behind its suggestions or decisions. This openness isn't optional, it's the bedrock for building confidence and ensuring fair use. When we grasp the why behind its output, we can then deploy these incredibly powerful tools responsibly and broadly, unlocking their true potential to help us all. I'm grateful for your presence today. I hope you've gained some valuable insights and thank you for listening.